अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माय चैनल नेम इज़ मिराल इन्फो। मेरे चैनल को शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में देखने पर आइकन घंटी को दबा दें ताकि हमारे आने वाले नेक्स्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। इसी वीडियो की जाने बाद मैं आपको बताऊँगी वाई स्टडी आर्ट एंड डिज़ाइन। डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट स्टेज you are your education, you might be studying art and design as part of compulsory timetable, considering taking it a GCSE or A level. Either way, you should already have some idea of what the subject involves. The term art and design is very broad and includes the use of many different materials and processes to create artwork product. You might enjoy making second work like illustration and paintings, or making 3D work, choosing to scaffold in clay or build furniture or out of wood. You might like freedom of having and expressing your own ideas, or prefer a commission that requires you to meet a brief like designing a skateboard or building a chair. You will have your preference, but all of these activities is not different category of art, craft and design. Please start by becoming familiar with the philosophy on bottom right hand side and working outwards. I'm more interested in you how transferable are art and design skills are school subject are built around core skills and knowledge that are transferable and therefore applicable to a range of careers. In this respect, art and design is different to another subject. This means that if you invite practical, imaginative and critical practice of art and design, then there are many jobs that require this important skills. Within the arts, you will develop a strong visual literacy and tactile understanding of materials and process. Learn to think imaginatively. Later thinking and analysis critical in order to improve your practice critical thinking. One way to really understand the importance of the subject is to take any product outcomes or service and try to work out how it would have assisted without an artist or designer. We often refer to the applied arts are involving the artist's process to respond to the demand of the consumer market, what people want to spend their money on. Design tends to be out of selling programs according to our client. The fine arts are more concerned with personal expression, but both the fine arts and designs are essential to our sense of belonging and purpose in life. Why is being an artist or designer so appealing? Art and design is particularly interesting to study because there is a strong element of individuality and personal inspiration. You can work in almost any media and develop your own personal style. Over time, there is also the opportunity to make the direct impact on society, learning the empathies with others and provide solutions for their needs. If you think of companies like IKEA and Apple who have designed products that are both functional and appealing, you can understand the importance of design in our lives. Since the world of art and design is always responding to new fashion ideas and technologies, it never ceases to be boring. For example, a graphic designer in 1930 would have also been using a printer's press and cutting a pad, collecting imaging manually on the paper, whereas now graphic designer will work prominently on the computer and could never by the experimentally with film making and augmented reality as a process of production. But as a progression in art and design, studying art and design is compulsory up still until year 9, and then you have the options to study GSC art and design or M1/2 vocational qualification in hospitality and catering. And from year 10 11, therefore, you will need to study either I level art and design or a BTEC level 2/3 art and design. If you choose to study after A level, you will be applied to university to complete a foundation course which lasts 1 year and involves learning at a wide variety of platforms. Before applying for undergraduate courses lasting 3 years, at this stage you will specialize in a particular discipline such as fine arts, printmaking, filmmaking, graphic design, etc. It is possible to go and study directly for undergraduate degree after school, but there applies to subjects like architectures that have a longer degree a course lasting up to 7 years. To find out more about studying the arts after sixth form, please visit our post 18 progression page below. Creative journey from National Saturday Club on Vimeo. Closely, fine arts involves making a work that is expressive and personal. It does not necessarily have the functions, but more concerned with beauty, imagination, thought, and feelings. Contemporary fine artists and can work in any mediums, but traditionally they have painted or sculpted artwork. Craft a form of making which generally produce an object that has a function. हमारे चैनल को शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।